Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to use LOFT in AutoCAD 2021. When you open, just click Start here. So example, I use circle here, make it 5, and draw another one, make it 4, and draw another one, make it 3. So after drawing, you go to here, top here, SW isometric. So I'm gonna lock this. So I'm gonna move it up here, move to be 5, move it here to be 3. So after move, you write the word loft here, SLOFT. Click on this and this one and this one. Enter. Okay. So go to here, 2D wireframe here. Select shaded. See, very nice 3D. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.